doesn't work. I can feel it vibrating. Great. I can feel it. Oh! Huh? Oh. What the heck? Slow down! Slow down! Oh my gosh! What the heck, bro? I knew that was the reason it wasn't turning on. Because it's loose. Are you serious right now? Are the blades loose or something? What the heck, guys? What the flip, guys? Some of the blades are just loose. Holy crap. What the heck, bro? They didn't screw it in full. They didn't screw in the blades fully. Oh my flip. Alright. Wonder what this switch does. Does this turn on? Alright. Yep, it does. Alright, thanks for watching.